This is a pillar MB CH student in Gulu University. Today I want to take you through an introduction to computer. And we'll begin by definition. You know what? A computer is an electronic device that receives data, that is an input, processing it according to the set programs or instruction, stores it, and also produces it. That is what we call now an input in a meaningful form. So it has characteristics that makes it to perform this task. One of the issue is the speed. It performs millions of calculations per second. Another one is accuracy. It gives correct result if the instructions are also correct. Then automation can work automatically after being well programmed. Another one is the facility, that is can perform different tasks at the same time, that is things like word processing, internet browsing, calculations. Another characteristic is its ability to store large amount of data and makes it available for future use. And another one is connectivity. It can connect with other devices, or that you can be able to share the data. Then possibly the last one for now is diligence. It is that ability to perform tasks over and over again without getting tired. So computers have basic component that is divided into two. We have the hardware component, that is the physical parts of the computer. Like under that we can see the output devices like the monitor, the printers, the speakers. Then we have the input devices like the keyboard, the mouse, the scanner. Then we have storage devices like the hard drive, USB drive. Then we have the control processing unit, that is the CPU, which is the brain of the computer. That includes things like the memory, like the RAM. Then another component that we can talk about here is the software programs. So these are just programs that runs the hardware. So it is the system softwares like the operating system like Windows and macOS. Then we have other applications like the software applications for Microsoft Word, Excel. We have the web browser, the PowerPoint, among others that we can mention them. So computers really have a number of applications, and these applications we can use it in education, like for e-learning, research, online classes. Under business you can use it for accounting, communication, and e-commerce. Under health you can use it for patients record, diagnostic and medical imaging. Under communication you can use it for sending emails, social media, video calls, among others. Under entertainment, for just playing music, watching movies, doing games. And others is science and engineering, that is space exploration. There are very many people who are going, astronauts who are going to the moon. Then things like artificial intelligence that has now emerged in this generation. So it is quite important that you have one, you learn, you know more about what transpires around you. So there are generations of computer. There are 5 generations. The first generation computers used a technology that was more of a vacuum tube as a major component for memory and central processing unit circuitry. Example, we have things like electronic numerical integrator calculators and calculators. We have electronic discrete variable automatic computers, the universal automatic computers, among others. Then the second generations, they use transistors. Transistor is a small device made up of a semiconductor like silicon. So these include things like the international business machine that people use. Then the third generation was an integrated circuit, a single component that was containing a number of transistors. Then the fourth generation is now very large scale integrated circuits like the Pentium and microcomputers. So The fifth generation is what currently we are now using. We have now the laptop, we have the desktop, we have a notebook, ultrabook, we have a Chrome book, among others. However, artificial intelligence is now coming and taking over a lot of things. Robots are being used for various purposes that they are meant to be. So that is the introductory part. We are now entering into opening and saving Microsoft Word document. Like, subscribe to my YouTube, like it, and be part of the learning process. May God bless.